Today we will learn about where is healthy and unhealthy food. So let's start. What do you see here? Well, I see here vegetables. These are vegetables and they grow on plants. So these are called plant products. Example of vegetables are potato, broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, bell pepper, onion, cucumber, pumpkin, bottle gourd, lemon, and brinjal. They are very important for our life because they give us lot of various vitamins and minerals which makes our body strong and healthy. And vegetables are rich in antioxidants. They support healthy digestion. They reduce chronic diseases. They support healthy weight and they promote healthy skin. So we should consider them or we should eat them daily. What do you see here? These are fruits. Fruits are also considered healthy because they are plant products, just like vegetables, and they are sweet in taste. I can see here an apple, pineapple, avocado, pear, watermelon, banana, fig, grapes, and a sweet strawberry. These are also good for health. Why? Because they boost our immune system. They support healthy bones. They also help in reducing inflammation. They support healthy hair and nails. And they promote healthy gut bacteria because they provide lot of fiber to our body. That is why we should eat them daily. Now what do you see here? I see milk and milk products. Milk and milk products are also good for our health. They provide numerous benefits, like they help in making our bones strong and they also make our teeth healthy. They support muscle function, they promote healthy weight, they support heart health, and they reduce chronic diseases. So, the products like milk and milk products like cheese, curd, butter, and yogurt are also considered healthy food, and we should include them in our diet. Now, what do you see here? These are food from animals. Anything which is we are getting from food is considered food from animal. So we saw milk. Milk is also an animal product, and fish, meat also considered as a food from animals. These are also good for our health. Why? Because they provide high quality protein to our body. They also provide iron and zinc. They also give omega 3 fatty acids, which is not available in vegetables and fruits. So we should eat meat and fish also. They also give vitamin B12. They also give calcium and vitamin D to our body. They improve our muscle function and brain function. They reduce chronic diseases. They support healthy bones and healthy teeth. They promote healthy skin, hair, and nails. So, we should also include this kind of food in our diet. Now, let's talk about this food. This is unhealthy food. This is not considered healthy because food like pizza, cake, lollipop, white bread, burger, soft drinks, and french fries only and only increases the blood sugar, which is not good for our health. So we should make sure that we should reduce the consumption of these products. Well, my video ends here. We have learned so many things today. I hope you will definitely like this video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like it. Thank you for watching it. Bye.